Good morning, my name is Sandra Eaton. I'm chair of the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry. In the sciences, it's really important that you get started on things that are working towards your major, because things are kind of structured. You need to take Gen Chem before you take organic, before you take more advanced things. So let's talk about what you really need to fit in that first year. You, like everybody else, is going to do your FSEM in the fall and then RIT in the winter and spring. So that fills up what I think of as one slot. For another slot, you really need to take Gen Chem 1 in the fall, Gen Chem 2 in the winter, and then of course we call Chemistry of the Elements in the spring. So that kind of fills up a second slot. If you haven't taken calculus, it's really good to fit that in your first year, because that's a prerequisite for physics, which is a prerequisite for physical chemistry, and you can see how that all snowballs. So if you haven't had it as AP or IB credit, you really want to take that in your freshman year. So now how have we got? We've got 3 slots filled up. So that means that one more, pretty much, is a 4th course is probably all you're going to want to try. If you're a chem major, that's a wild card. You can take whatever you want. But if you're a biochem major, you really want to only take something in the fall quarter that's a 1-quarter course, because you're going to want to take biology winter and spring in that 4th slot. So you want to be sure you don't start a full year sequence if you're a biochem major. But if you're a chem major, you might want to start something like your foreign language, because then you get that all taken care of in your first year. It's a great idea to declare a major right when you come in. That means we get you arranged with an advisor in a science department, and we can help you think through these things. It's really easy to change your major later on. It's a simple piece of paper, but if you don't declare a major, it's really hard for us to know that we ought to reach out to you and help you figure these things out.